Hello everyone. Today let me solve some problems based on shares and dividends. Your first problem is a man invests 10,400 rupees in 6% shares at 104 rupees and 11,440 rupees at 10.4% shares at 143 rupees. How much income would he get in all? Here you have got two situations. Okay, in the first situation, let me write first situation, investment is 10,400 rupees, rate of dividend is 6% and market value of a share is 104 rupees. Okay, so investment and market value is given to you. You can find the number of shares. So in the first case, number of shares equal to, you know the formula, investment by market value of a share. Investment is 10,400 by 104 market value. So 100 shares. So in the first case, number of shares is 100. Now let us find the annual income in the first case. You know the formula, annual income is NR by 100, N is 100, R is 6, face value. You say children, here face value is not given, but market value is 104 rupees. So in that case, you have to take the face value as 100 rupees. 100 by 100. So that you will get 600 rupees. Your question is, how much income would he get in all? That means in two cases, you have to find the income. Now, let us work out for the second situation. And 11,440 rupees. That means in the second situation, investment is 11,440 rupees. Rate of interest is 10.4% and market value is 143 rupees. So let us find number of shares again here also. So number of shares is investment by market value. Investment is 11,440. Market value is 143. Okay. Here if you see, it is divisible by 8. 8 3s are 24 to carry. 8 4s are 32 to 34 3. 8 1s are 8 3 11. 143 1s are 143 8 0. So 80 shares. So let us find the annual income in the second case. Same formula, NR by 100. Here number is 80. Rate of dividend is 10.4. Again here 143 rupees is the market value. You have to take 100 rupees as the face value. Then you will get, after 1 plus decimal is there, so this 0 I am not writing. 8 4s are 32, 3 8 1s are 8. Okay. So in the second case, annual income is 832 rupees. How much income would he get in all? Therefore, now find total income in both the cases. Total income is, income in the first case is 600 rupees. Income in the second case is 832 rupees. When you add up, you will get the income 2, 3, 8, 6, 14. So 1432 rupees is the total income. 1432 rupees is the total income, or he would get 1432 rupees in all. I hope this problem is clear to you. Okay. Now let us solve the second problem. Your second problem is, a company pays a dividend of 15% on its 10 rupee shares, from which it deducts tax at the rate of 22%. Find the annual income of a man who owns 1000 shares of this company. Let me solve it. Here company pays a dividend of 15%. That is, rate of dividend is, that is R is 15% on its 10 rupee shares. Face value of a share is, that is F is 10 rupees, from which it deducts tax at the rate of 22%. Means after finding the annual income will deduct the tax. Find the annual income of a man who owns 1000 shares of this company. So here number of shares is, N is 1000. So N is given to you, R is given to you, F is given to you. You can find the annual income. So annual income is NRF by 100. N is 1000, R is 15, F is 10 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. 1500 is the annual income of the man. Out of this, he has to pay 22% tax. From the annual income, 22% tax he has to pay. After that, his income after deduction of tax we have to find out. Okay? So, annual income after deduction of tax. After deduction of tax. Annual income is 1500. Tax is 22% of 1500. Or you can write 1500 bracket 1 minus 22 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. 1500 minus 15 to the 30 0 3 carry. 15 to the 30 plus 3 33. So 0 minus 0 0 carry 1. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 4 will be there. 4 minus 3 is 1 1. So man's income after deduction of tax is 1170 rupees. I hope the problem is clear to you. Please, I think shares and dividend, some sums I have done also for you. I have given the class, I have done. I hope with this you will be able to understand everything. Okay, thank you.